Hello and welcome. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and today we're going to learn how to play our early elementary version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. To help you learn this faster, you can purchase the sheet music from the Hoffman Academy store. The link is below. And don't forget, if you're a premium member, you can download the sheet music for free. Finally, if you'd like to learn a slightly more challenging version of We Wish You a Merry Christmas, please check out my elementary level tutorial. Okay, let's come to the piano to get started. Now, the great thing about getting our sheet music is it has this cute little map that will show you exactly where to place your fingers on the piano keys. Remember, finger one is your thumb. So the right hand finger one and left hand finger one are going to be side by side here on middle C, and then a step below that on B, and then the other fingers will all just be hanging out side by side. And those are the only notes you'll need for the entire song. So just kind of get comfortable right there. I'll play through the entire song once so you can hear how it goes, and then we'll learn. And then you have a repeat sign, which means you go back and play the whole thing one more time. So let's come back to the start and break this down. In my tutorials, we're always going to learn something, not just how to play the notes, but something about music itself. So here at the start, let's look. We have a bass staff down here below. Everything written on that staff is for your left hand to play. And then the treble staff up above, any notes written there will be for your right hand to play. That 3/4 means there'll be 3 quarter note beats in every measure. That's called the time signature. That helps with counting the rhythms. Now, which hand starts? You see that first note down there in the bass staff. That means the left hand is going to play the first note, and those numbers under or over the notes are going to tell you which finger to play. And don't forget, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in mirror direction like that. Your thumb is always 1. So your finger 3 will be your middle finger of your left hand, which is right here on G. I'll call out the numbers, and let's do a little phrase at a time. I'll play it once, and then you try and copy on your piano. So the left hand starts 3, and then finger 1 of the right hand plays We Wish. Now you try. Now let's add some more notes. We wish you a merry. Now I'll say the finger numbers. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Notice it's 1 of the right hand, then 1 of the left hand. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Now you try. Then going on, we get 2, 2, 2. Now you try. Now let's put that together. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Now your turn. Now you can always pause if you need extra time to practice. Otherwise, let's go on to the next part. This time we'll come up to a finger 2 of the right hand. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now your turn. Then the left hand adds 1, 3, 3. Notice sometimes in music we skip a finger or note. So we have 1, 3, 3. Your turn. Now let's put those two measures together. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3. Now your turn. Now your own, you can pause and practice that whole line if you want. Otherwise, let's keep going. Now we're going to come up to a finger 3 of the right hand. 3, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now your turn. One more time for me. 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 of the left hand. Now your turn. Then the left hand plays 2 Gs with a finger 3, 3, 3. Your turn. Then notice in the next measure, we go back and forth from the left hand to the right hand to the left hand. Left, right, left, and finger 2 in the left hand on Ha, then finger 2 of the right hand on P. Happy. Now you try. And then New Year is 1, 1. So it's 2, 2, 1, 1. Kind of makes a pattern. 2, 2, 1, 1. Now you try. Now listen to the whole thing that far. I'll sing the finger numbers. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Now, in order to learn this, I recommend that you don't just think about the finger numbers or the notes, but notice how the notes are moving on the staff. Are they stepping up? Are they stepping down? Are they repeating? And then also sing the song in your head while you play it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Or sing it out loud. Singing out loud will help you get the notes and rhythms correctly. Notice that some of the notes are quarter notes, which are just these notes with the stems by themselves. And then sometimes we have eighth notes, which are like these two notes beamed together. I like to say ta for quarter notes, which is more of a walking speed note. Ta, ta, ta. And then when I see 2 eighth notes grouped together, I call those ti because they're faster. They're eighth notes. They go twice as fast, like a running speed. Running, running. So you could think walk, walk, running, running, walk, walk, walk. Notice on the word merry, those are eighth notes with a flag. Same rhythm as eighth notes with a beam, but it splits it between the right hand and left hand, which is why we have to use the flag. But it's the same speed. Walk, walk, running, running, walk, 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 running, running, walk, walk, walk. So notice, music has not just the right notes, but you have to do the right timing. And that's why noticing where those eighth notes are is really important. But also just thinking or singing the words of the song will help you get those rhythms correct. Pause the video now and work on those first 2 lines, and then press play again when you're ready to learn the rest. Next up, here you'll see in the music a P. Kind of a fancy looking P in music stands for piano, which means softly. Yeah, the piano itself also has another meaning. The word piano can also mean soft. So we're going to play this section a little bit softer. Good tidings we bring. In finger numbers, we have 3. Then the right hand plays 3, 1, 1, 1, then 1 for the left hand. Now you try. Now try singing it with the words. Good tidings we bring. Sing while you play. Your turn. Going on, we have to you and your kin. Notice we started here, then we stepped up, stepped back down, stepped down, stepped down. It's really easy to read notes when you just notice, are the notes stepping, skipping, or repeating? To you and your kin. Now your turn. Then in the music, we'll see this fancy MF, which stands for mezzo forte, which means medium loud. So we're going to play medium loud here. Finger 2 starts in the right hand. 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Notice those eighth notes, so they go faster. Walk, walk, running, running. Now you try. Now let's try with lyrics. We wish you a merry. Now you try. Then after that, we get Christmas. Finger 5 of the right hand. jumps down to finger 3 of the left hand. Christmas. Now you try. Let's connect that with what we just had. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Now your turn. Then 2 G's, and they're eighth notes, so they'll go quick. Running and Happy New Year. Same pattern we saw before. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Now you try. And then that repeat sign means go back and play the whole thing again. So let's hear the whole thing now with the lyrics. You can try playing along with me or just listen. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Great job learning how to play We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Don't forget that you can support Hoffman Academy by purchasing the sheet music from our store, or by becoming a premium member, which allows you to download hundreds of items in our store for free. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. Aw, Mr. Hoffman didn't teach the best part of the song. What do you mean? Well, you know, the rest of the song goes, now bring us some figgy pudding, now bring us some figgy pudding, now bring us some figgy pudding, and bring it right here. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Nothing brings the Christmas spirit like bratty carolers storming your home and demanding a treat that no one's ever even heard of. Yep. Want to go caroling? You bet. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding.